Hello friends, welcome to Ledtvrepair. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to Ledtvrepair. In today's video, we are going to repair a 43-inch LG Electronics Smart LED TV with the complaint of a white shaded picture and no graphics display. As discussed earlier, this type of problem is usually caused by internal shorting in the gate signals inside the glass panel. The shorting may occur either on the left side or the right side of the panel. If gate signals on both sides are shorted, it becomes very difficult to repair using the panel temporary fix method. Now, as you can see, we have already opened the back cover of the TV. This TV comes with an LG panel, and here is the panel T-con board. These are the gate signal tracks from the right and left sides of the panel. If both side gate signals are shorted, the permanent solution is panel replacement. Also, we cannot predict how long the display will continue to work using this temporary fixing method. So now, we are going to implement the taping method by blocking the gate signals from the FFC cable. First, we will block the left side gate signal tracks. After blocking the left side, let's turn on the TV and check the picture. As you can see, even after blocking the left side gate signals, the problem remains the same. Now, we will remove the masking tape from the left side FFC cable and use it to block the right side FFC cable instead. After blocking the right side gate signals, let's turn on the TV again. Now you can see the picture has appeared, and the TV is working back to normal. Please remember, this is only a temporary solution. The permanent solution is panel replacement. We cannot guarantee how long the display will continue working with this method. It completely depends on usage and luck. That's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon to get notifications for our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.